Just a quick update on everything. No, I haven't abandoned the Fairy House project. I've just been working and working and working. I spent one of my days off last week working 12 hours, and I am tired. I finally got to go shopping, so I'm just going to let you have a look at my new toy I bought here. I'm not being paid by Performax, but their tools are amazing and they are not expensive. In fact, most of my brother's tools in his wood shop are Performax or Masterforce, which is a little higher grade of the tool. And I'll tell you what, they are amazing. So I bought this little Dremel-like guy, $49. You can get them for $39 if Menards has them on sale. Yeah, they're amazing, and I can't wait to use this in some future upcoming projects. I finally got to go grocery shopping. My cupboards, my fridge were bare because it's been so long. So I finally got to do that. I finally got to go shopping for some other stuff. I went to Dollar Tree, found some really cool stuff that we're going to be upcycling and redoing, and that's coming up as soon as I finish the little fairy house. I also ordered a light, and hopefully it'll get here very, very soon, and then we'll continue with the little fairy house. I've got horrible lighting in this place, and so yeah, I'm really excited to get this light because I bought one of those ring lights and I think it's really going to help. So that's basically where I'm at with this project. We will be getting back to the fairy house. All I got to do is get the light and get some time off because I worked every day last week. Every day except, no, I think I was there on my day off too. Or my other day off. I get 2 days off, and let me tell you, yeah. I know I had like 50 hours in, so I know that I worked, yeah. Yep, that's what I've been doing is just working and working, and by the time I get home, I am so tired that it just isn't working for me. I've got one staff, count them, one that is my staff, and then we have a bunch of amazing staff we've been picking up, so I'm really happy for that. But I tell you, on the days I work by myself, it's a little bit too much. Way too much. So hopefully we'll get some people applying soon. Hopefully, you know, the wonderful people who are picking up at the house that I'm in charge of will keep picking up, and hopefully soon I will get some days off, or at least not be so tired, get some time to be with you guys again and to finish the little fairy house and to start these other projects I've got that I am so excited about. My daughter is graduating with her master's degree, and I want to go so bad, but it's not looking like at this time I'm going to get the time off. I have the Monday and Tuesday off, which is fine, because for some reason she's at UNO and they're graduating. I mean, because of COVID, they're doing it in groups. They're graduating, and hers is on the 10th, which is a Monday. And that's fine because I have Monday and Tuesday off. But I'm so wanting the 8th and 9th off too. That's the weekend. Because I haven't seen her in over a year. And yeah, I want to see her and I want us to be together as a family again because my other daughter, of course, is going and her family. And I want to be a family. And right now, I don't even know if that's going to happen for me. But I'm definitely, nothing else, I'm going to drive down the morning of the 10th. And I'll come back on the 11th. Anyway, just wanted to update you, wanted to show you my new toy. We're going to be using this thing for sure. I just got to get familiar with it. It's been a few years since I've used anything like this, and my brother has got all kinds of woodworking tools, so yeah, look out, people. It's either going to go great or it's going to go bad, but I'm going to take you along on the journey while I explore power tools. And that'll be coming up future videos, not right away, but it'll be coming up, so I just wanted to update you again, and I will be back to the fairy house. I'm just waiting on that light. Thank you very much, guys. Have a good week. Bye-bye.